Shandong Unite Machinery Co. Limited is a manufacturer of mining gun stool stick. It mainly produces quality photovoltaic laser, water well drill rig, RC reverse circulating, down the hole drilling rig, spider crane, core drilling rig, mining dump tricks, various types of mucking loaders, tunnel repair and maintenance machines, milling machines, loaders, mining tricycles, excavators, bulldozers, and matching parts, built on application mentions. Unity's popularities, quality, durability, reliability, and overall value. Unite Machinery founded in honesty, integrity, and exception ecosystem. Engineered for and modern and comfortable, every day for quasi-future class engineers. He's a powerful living construction machinery.